Hello, I'm Chris Belcher with Explorers Media, and you're watching Nature Keeps Its Place as San Antonio Grows. San Antonio's population grew 26% from 2000 to 2020, making it the 7th largest city in the United States. The city's urban area has expanded to keep up with the population growth, as shown in this City of San Antonio map. Even as the city's urban area has expanded, nature has kept its place in our city. Deer live in our parks. Rabbits graze on the grass lining our parking lots. Squirrels and possums make themselves home alongside us. Birds live in houses we built for them, use feeders and bird baths we set out, eat and nest in our parks and on our man-made buildings. We're not the only ones who enjoy the water features in our urban environment. The turtles here are enjoying the water and sun. We live alongside reptiles like these lizards found in our parks and near our homes. We also share our flowers with a variety of insects. Here, different butterflies get nectar from native plants around San Antonio. And yes, we also live in our urban environment alongside bees and wasps. Spiders, katydids, ants, and dragonflies. We may have created an urban environment for ourselves, but nature has stayed and enjoys it alongside us. Thank you for watching Nature Keeps Its Place as San Antonio Grows. You can find more of our work by visiting our website at www.explorersmedia.org.